Hello everyone and welcome back to the another video of Adobe Photoshop series. So today we will learn how to use Windows tool in Adobe Photoshop. We will cover all of the steps about Windows tool in Adobe Photoshop. So for it we need to open multiple pages in Adobe Photoshop. So press Ctrl O and choose files and open in Adobe Photoshop. So now I'm gonna open all of the files in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so here you can see the multiple files have opened in Adobe Photoshop. So how you will apply the property of Windows tool on that file. So for that, go in your Windows section and first option name arrange. So in this option you will get the facility of arrange the files. So from here you can arrange the file vertically, and simply from here you can arrange the file horizontally, and also you have the menu options. 3 files you can also add here, and if you want only 3 files also you add 4 files here if you want. And there are multiple options are available for open the window in multiple methods. Considered method, make formats normal, default files, okay, make files normals, consolidate option, and here simply you have many options. Flat in window, with the help of you can flat the file, and so now I am gonna set the normal option. Okay, so that's property about the arrange option. So now we move on the workspace. What is the workspace? With the help of workspace tool we arrange the multiple options here. So this is the 3D options you can see, and here we can also add painting option. Here you can see in this sidebar, and also but now I am gonna add the default option, so you can just set. Okay, and what is these things? So here you can add many things, like I'm gonna add brushes here in the sidebar. So you can say the brushes are cam, and simply you remove the layers. Okay, and I'm gonna add the layers again, and the multiple options are you can simply remove colors from here and add colors from here. So that facility are provided by this tool, Windows tool. Here the options tool, you are not able to see options now here, but if you just click on it, now you are able to show option. You are able to see option here, and simply you can use tools. So now you are not able to see tools here, but just you back click on tools, you are able to see tools here. So what is this? The 5 number 50 is open, so that is basic. So that's all about the Windows. So nothing Windows tool so completed. Okay, that's all about the Windows tool. If you find the information this video, you can also like the video and subscribe the channel, because your likes give me motivation to make this type of videos. So I will see you next time. Bye bye.